This is a room tour of a Grand Suite, room 1032 on Jewel of the Seas. And we are actually very close. We're on the port side. This is room 1032 on the port side. And we're right near the front of the ship. Near the front of the ship, you can see we're going to go over there. We have elevators over there, and I'll show you on the map here in a minute. And this is the Grand Suite 1032, and this is the hallway down that way down to the Centrum, and we're on the 10th floor. And like I said before, the forward of the ship is that way, and we're going to go into our room, Grand Suite, room 1032. And just to give you a quick overview of the room. Nice large room on Jewel of the Seas. And again, this is a Grand Suite, room 1032. All right, let's work our way back over here. So first of all, your assembly station for your muster drill is B6. And B6 is on the port side of the ship as you first come in, and they on deck 5. So they actually boarded us on deck 5, and we went right over to B6, and we were able to get our muster drill done at the assembly station very quickly. And as you can see, it's very kind of a little small, but there's a red dot right here. This is where we are. We're on the 10th floor right here. And again, it is a little bit of an older ship, but this is a nice room. And let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom will be on your right hand side as you come in to the room. Sometimes a lot of rooms do have a little lip. This room has no lip at the bottom, which is nice. There are lots of space for you to put things, lots of drawers. So it's easy to unpack. Now we're just on a 3-day cruise, but of course we really do love to unpack. The Jewel of the Seas does a lot of 3- and 4-day cruises, but I do know they do some week-long cruises out of Puerto Rico. You do have a full tub shower combination, really nice. However, I don't know if I can do the justice. I don't know if the camera's going to do this justice, but I'm going to tell you, it is a large step up to get in there for the shower. But it is nice. Nice little shower head, and of course you get the nice amenities of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So that's nice. I think with the large step up of the bathroom, it probably would be nice if there was another handrail up against the wall here, but there isn't. The only handrail is way back here at the front. So I will say that I definitely think just be careful. This is a very large step up, but that's not going to deter me from the nice large bathroom that we have here. So this is nice. Over here on the right hand side, when you come in, we have all our closet space. It's really nice. They have mirrors on it, so it actually helps make the room look a little bit bigger. You open these up. It's really nice. You know, another little nice thing that comes up is the light comes on as soon as you open them up. So this opens up to 2. Lots of space in here. Lots of space for you to hang things. Of course, you get your robes. And fancy-wancy, we got some slippers. Okay. So that's all nice. Closet here, nice little space here, more closet space, and we have the safe here. I'm going to tell you right now, it's a little bit of a smaller safe, older ship, but you can get your wallet, passports, and stuff. If you want to keep stuff in there, you can do that. We have a lot of space here. We actually have the refrigerator / cooler in here that you can see. And again, lots of space to store stuff, if I'm getting that good. And the drawers and stuff are over here. So for the drawers and stuff, You can see the lots of drawers. 4 drawers there, 4 drawers there. Wow, lots of place to put stuff if you want to unpack and get things someplace to maybe put some stuff as you're heading out. And of course you have, for those that it's important, you have your Lavazza machine to have some coffee in the morning. So that's nice. Nice little table here to have to set your coffee, room service, or just to whatever you want to put there. It's kind of nice. And as you come over here to the left of the room, as you come in, we've got 2 nice chairs, seating area, sofa. This is nice. A lot of space here. And then, of course, all this space over here. It's the room, we have it made up. We don't have the bed separated, so we have a king-size bed. And look at all this space here. And again, something else I really like. Look at how beautiful this place is here to sit and get ready and to put your makeup on or just get ready. And again, more drawers, more of everything. And of course, all these open up, more places to put things. I will say, I know everybody's going to sit there and ask, so we'll say these are the 2 plugs I see. They're just normal plugs. So you have 2 right here, so you will have to charge everything here. There's nothing by the bed. Older ship, to remember that. But lots of mirrors, lots of ability to get ready. And along over here with this nice area to get ready, in these drawers here, you do have your room service menus here, breakfast menu, and different room service menus that you can have here. And then also in here, we do have the hair dryer, and it looks like it might be a fairly decent hair dryer. It does look like it's the switch that you just move up and down. Okay, so now you know what the hair dryer is with the tissue. And another thing I like too, especially if you want to get up in the middle of in the morning and you want to have some coffee, but your spouse or whoever wants to stay sleeping, or you want to take a nap, you can close this off. It's really nice. There's actually 2 curtains here. You can close this off. It's really nice. And step back here just so you can see that. You can see that it'll close off. It'll come all the way close. I just didn't do it. But it's give you some privacy in the morning if one of you wants to sleep in and the other person wants to get up. And again, another great feature of having a grand suite is look at these 2 big windows here. You got a big window on the right, and then the patio door window here, or the balcony door window right there. You can get. So again, it's just nice. It's a lot of space. And we'll go out here and show you the balcony. And again, today we are in Fort Lauderdale, and we are on the port side. And the port side is facing the port today. So it's quite busy and loud. It's pretty nice here at the Fort Lauderdale Airport. You can sit here while your embarkation's going on and look at the planes taking off. And now that what you see right there, we are in Terminal 19, and Terminal 19 had us park in that parking garage right there, and it was real easy. We parked. We came through the loop right there, as you can see, where the blue canopies are right there. We just drove around into this building right here and dropped off our luggage, and then drove back around, looped right back around into the garage. We parked, walked right across the lot there and into this terminal. And these are the 2 little gangways right here. This gangway there and that gangway right there. Those were the 2 gangways to get on the ship. So it went really nice and easy. Was actually really fast. And the ship is just beautiful. We can see just out here on this pad, you can see you've got plenty of privacy. And I want to back up here too and let you look. We have the overhang here. We are on deck 10, so we have the overhang here. This is a lot of shade for you to have here on your balcony. And let me back up here. So on this balcony, we have 2 lounge chairs, which is really nice for the 2 of you. And then back over here, I'll come back to this side, and as we come back to this side again, we have table and 2 chairs. This is going to be really nice to sit here and have breakfast in the morning, some coffee in the morning, a room service to sit out here. And again, there's lots of privacy. And I will note that a very high step in and out of the balcony with the sliding doors here. We're going to really enjoy this. And again, it was very easy. There will be some suite benefits that we get with this room. We may do a video on that, so look for that so that you know what suite benefits there are as a suite up in the Suite Concierge. Okay, again, Grand Suite 1032 on Jewel of the Seas.